Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a homepage on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to our left panel and then click on Online Editor. If it's allowed. Now, the ones it allows, gotta click on Edit Theme. As you can see, this is our homepage. But you can go ahead and click on the drop down right here. As you can see, you can navigate the homepage with the product section, collections, gift card, and other pages. Okay, so just click on homepage, make sure that you are in this section. Now you can basically rearrange everything right here. You can click on one, for example, this shop all button. Make sure that the shop all button is linked to all of your products. Okay, now scroll down, change your background if you want to. Should it be transparent or not? And once that's done, change the text color if you want to. The size right here, fit for desktop width and mobile width. And once done, just close this one or change the label. Check our products, just for example, and wait for it to update live. Now, at the left panel, you can go ahead and go to header. As you can see here, we have the announcement bar at the very top. This welcome to our store. You can change this one. You can just click on it, click on 3 dots, rename it if you want to, edit the code as well if you want to. So announcement bar, click on announcement, change it. Welcome to, for example, your store name. Close it. Once you're done, here we have the header. You can just click on each section right here to know where it is. For example, we have the announcement bar. Here we have the highlights, the header. Here we have the highlights. So we are currently working with the header right here. So the logo, you can click on it. You can hide it. Okay, let's go back. You can go ahead over to menu. You can rename it or change it and then move it aside if you want to. All right, scroll down. Here we have some more headers right here for our product section. You can add in a block. Say, for example, an image block, a text block, or a group, media. You can add in some carousel and some titles. Okay, you can add in some apps as well, maybe some forms. Let's say let's click on media right here. Set the aspect ratio to auto, landscape, or whatever. Scroll down. Style should be solid or not. Okay, change the corner radius right here, so it's a bit rounded. Okay, if you want to change the padding. That's how it looks like. Okay, so if you want to create your own homepage, you can just basically delete everything right here and add it in one by one. Okay, so click on delete the collection title as well, buttons, basically delete everything. Okay, and once everything is deleted, you can now then go ahead and add in your own thing. All right. So here we have the hero section. We can delete this one basically. Or if it won't delete, you can go and click on 3 dots, hide it. Okay. Announcement bar, delete it if you want to. Delete the header or hide it if you can. And then from there, you can just basically add in whatever you want. Add in a section, maybe an app section or a divider. Okay. So here we have it. Close it. Now under template, we could add another block, for example, a collection block, add in some more. Under product card, you can click on the plus sign, add in some media. There you go. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and browse through the tabs right here. All right, you have the collection section as well. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to start fresh, you can go ahead and exit out. Scroll down and visit the theme store, or you can go ahead and scroll down and browse through the themes available in here. All right, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add this one that is now installing. So let's just wait for it. You can click on edit right here if you've messed something up right here from your first theme. Okay, and there you have it. And if you want to as well, you can basically go ahead over the pages right here. Now click on add pages, give it a name. Let's say a home page. Sample, okay, visible, the template. Should it be a default page or contact page? Just default and click on save. Now go ahead over to your online store and click on edit and find the created sample homepage. Okay, sample right here. Now you start fresh. And that is how you create a homepage on Shopify. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.